What's new in Power BI? August 2025 updates. Microsoft has rolled out exciting new features across Copilot and AI, reporting, modeling, developer APIs, and visualizations. Here's a quick rundown. Copilot and AI. Copilot is now supported in embedded Power BI reports for SharePoint Online, allowing users to interact with the Copilot report pane directly within their embedded reports. Reporting. Org Apps Preview are now supported in workspaces with Pro licenses. Create multiple Org Apps per workspace to deliver tailored report experiences for leaders, managers, or cross-business initiatives. Modeling. You can now use mirrored Azure Databricks catalogs as a data source to bring direct lake tables into a semantic model in Power BI Desktop via OneLake. Developer API. When saving a Live Connect report as a PBIP, the definition.pbir file now includes a simplified connection string with the XMLA endpoint and semantic model ID. Visualizations. The new PowerViz date picker brings a modern calendar view, presets, pop-up mode, default selection, themes, and more, making it a must-have date slicer. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.